Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them me like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them well, blessed love, guys, blessed love, blessed love. And you know, today, as usual, most time I have to go pay my internet bill, you know, so that's what I'm going to do as well, just to go and pay my internet bill. You know, if I don't pay my internet bill, I can't get nothing to watch. Like that's a nothing or nothing at all to watch, so I have to pay my internet bill, so I'm in after 3, so I'm gonna walk to the floor store from here, you know, and get my bill started out, you know. So welcome, guys. Remember, please to put the thumbs up whenever you're watching Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. You know the thing, remember to keep it positive, nothing negative, you know, nothing negative. Yeah. How long can I do eat a patty? Walking past this patty spot, so might as well I get a patty, right? Might as well I get a patty. Good thing I never come parking here. So wow. Alright, guys, so I got myself a paddy, so you know, I'm just gonna walk and get my phone bill done, and then I can head on, and then I'm gonna meet up these. I'm gonna head to Trenchtown because we're gonna do some work on the road shop. We're going to strengthen his fence, you know, and get his fence sorted out. And then prefect is on the road, so you know, prefect is on the road, so we couldn't get to done with the framing of his kitchen cupboard. So literally we almost finished, you know. So the next thing we're going to focus on doing is like get his paint, you know, get the house paint, you know, get the yard proper cleaned up. And then so on, you know, so we can prepare for a house opening for the whole chef. So it's a busy day here today in Harper 3. Referee, you want to play foot?
Beat it by man and hamstring. I just heard me somebody say I'm going to start it too. We have the temper and everything.
Referee, good man.
Then someone said my ball is something.
Yeah.
Now match today.
Tomorrow.
Eh?
Tomorrow.
Wishing all the best, you know?
Up in Maryland.
Alright then.
This is our referee.
Yeah,
when
you know.
When him do a referee, the game go to find him. So remember him face.
Don't know whether they're busy long time and now get up. Then I don't know on the top flight and straight through. So let's have yourself all ball and coach the boy. Bless up.
Tomorrow we have match team. Up in Maryland.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys. So that's the referee who also referee our games as well too. Then done something with his hamstring. So I just met him here in halfway through. My mouth was literally full, walking, eating and talking.
Zero power, zero for perfume, zero for jewelry, and don't forget, don't forget, zero for zero for zero for perfume, zero for jewelry, don't forget, zero for power, zero for
We can't repair it. Yes.
So I literally just pay my phone bill now. You know, so that duty is done for the day for me. So I'm gonna head downtown to meet Dee to take her to Iowa Spice. I want to get some of that Ital food, so I'm gonna take her to Iowa Spice for her to get some of that Ital food. So I'm gonna head back to my vehicle and head downtown right now. It's always busy.
Babylon. Zero seal up our perfume, seal up our jewelry, and don't forget public for sale. Don't forget public. Seal up our phone, seal up our tablet, seal up our.
Hey, the sun is hot today. I don't know how, but you can see the shine, the sun's shine and like that. It's so hot. No joke about that. Yeah. Big up yourself. Everything good? Eh? Yes, sir. Yeah? Big up yourself. Yes, guys, so I'm downtown now, waiting to meet up with D right now, and then we're gonna walk up to Ibos Spice. Stick up my general. Walk up to Ibos Spice as well for her to get some of the Ital Spice or the breadfruit burger. I just really want to try the breadfruit burger, you know. All I want is music. Man, look at boats. We are try the balance. Balance, I try balance.
Yeah, tight it up.
Water greeny. Why the water so green?
Algae in here. Algae.
Algae?
Algae make the water green because it absorbs the substance on it. That's why it makes the water green.
Are you son? An intelligent man. And me never know that, you know. You got yourself. You like the fishing?
But I can't swim the most, so I don't actually.
Yeah. You born in Jamaica? Hey. Good mommy had some good work, man. Good work.
So are you
I'm a vlogger.
Oh, I just got started. Because to see the camera,
You just got started? You just got started, they said?
I was swimming right there, but not actually.
Oh, he's asking what you just said a while ago.
Mm-hmm.
You say you just, what did you say?
I was saying that as soon as I saw you with the camera, I let that you're
Vlogger. Okay, you're very intelligent. So what you say why the water is so green?
because of the algae, so it makes like the chemicals on it, so it makes the water start get green and all the trash. So it helps the algae starts to make it more greener.
Wow. Hey, high five. They're gonna love you. Hey! There's my next YouTuber friend, she's over there. Mommy, you're doing a great job, yeah? Proud of you. Boy, I know you're gonna do great for Jamaica. Yeah? Take it up. Hey! Guys, be honest, guys. Did you know that The local boy speaks so intelligent, you know, so intelligent. Oh, fisher ladies. Hello, mummies. Get you anything yet? No luck. Was that your bait? At the breeze though? Yeah. Well, you're gonna catch something, man. Just. Yeah, you always been doing fishing? Yeah? Wow. You know, it's literally the first time I see a woman and fish. When I'm walking down here, I never see anything. Oh. I'm holding. There. Greetings, the Mwango. Hello.
It's so hot.
It's hot.
Hey guys. Hope you all doing well. I don't know if the voice is good because of the breeze. The breeze is so tough. Hopefully, yeah? So hey guys, hope you all doing well. Welcome back to Kino Life in Jamaica. My name is D. Mwango. For those who are new here, please check me out as well. I'm a YouTuber. I do travel videos. And welcome back to Jamaica, the land we all love. But I guess I love it so much.
Too much. It's
Too much.
Too much.
Yeah.
She love
So
it
guys,
too
you know
much.
what? Subscribe, hit that like button. Let us know what you think about today's vlog. Kino is fishing.
I am fishing. I saw these two lovely ladies here fishing, you know.
Yeah,
It's like
interesting.
it's like the first time I'm seeing ladies fishing.
Fishing
I
just by
see-
themselves.
Yeah.
Whoa.
You lot related?
Yeah.
Sisters? Cousins?
Oh, wow, guys.
It's the first time I always say man a fish.
Yeah.
But never lucky to
we
see a
went to
woman.
fish, we got nothing.
Nothing. Yeah, damn.
Then that means I should be coming to fish as well. So I should
Yeah.
be buying fish.
Don't
I
you?
should be coming here, spending the whole day and try to get something.
So how long have you been fishing, mommy? Long time. Do you fish to sell or just to eat? Oh, to eat. Oh, so this is for rice and peas and fish tomorrow, right?
Yeah. You caught some? You caught some?
Not yet. She said not yet.
Oh, not yet.
Soon.
Fishing one's patience.
Hey.
Give up. Yeah, and when it's freezing a lot, even throwing the, you know?
It's not yet. Yeah. She gonna chew now. Yes, mommy. She gonna catch something today. At least the cow, and she never catch nothing. She have to buy chicken.
Empty pot.
And the bird. They went fishing, guys,
Got
and
nothing. I
got
can't wait to share
nothing.
that video.
Imagine it. She went fishing to go and to cook, you know, catch and cook. But she have to catch nothing, and she have to go and buy
Buy fish,
something.
Chicken.
Chicken,
But-
right? Diana. Too bad.
Something chicken. Something. Ah, the video quality is nice. Something.
Right, it's looking
Hey,
good.
Kino has a new camera, guys.
Yes.
So good.
Guys, my apology. I didn't mention that I'm working with a new camera here.
Yeah.
Looking good.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. It looks good right there, right?
Yeah, good. Good. You know the clarity. You see, I told you. So nice.
So nice.
We got some.
You get something?
Yeah.
Where? You drop off? Oh, the boy. So that means say them a pick that movie, man. Them a pick.
Yeah. But it has been like this since when I wake up. I woke up, I checked through the window and I thought it's raining literally, only to find it's the breeze.
So calm down. Mine I get hooked big. You are go out here.
Yeah.
She gonna ready?
Yeah, let me go get the camera and everything.
Hey, big chore, big chore. Come catch.
Some water.
A water? Oh. I'm voting for you, mommy.
Some water.
Any water?
Yep.
To drink?
Yep.
Alright, you want to buy your water?
I would appreciate
You want water as well, cousin? So I'm going to buy you guys water because I know you've been water, okay? That's so inspiring, you know, to see those lovely, you know, ladies fishing, you know, making ends meet. Imagine they're both cousins, you know, both cousins, and they're trying to make ends meet. That is so good, you know, so good. I really like that about them. General, you have water?
Yeah.
Cool one? Give me 3 of them now, please.
That will make sure now, big and small.
Big and small. So see the big and small. One small one. I buy the ladies them 2 water over there. I want one for myself too. Business is out. Waterfront.
Like turn white American now.
It turn white. I mean, one more
Jamaican turn white American now. We are on the
place.
photo shoot time.
Yeah, the vlogging.
These are just them alone, you see.
Yeah, but now,
Blow.
God on time, right?
No time. Long as you know here. I know for work.
God on
All
time.
you want is that good.
Thursday again. 6 minutes. And a 500.
Yeah, man.
Why the sun a murder today? Why the sun set today, boy?
Every day, not just now.
No, but today
Almost every day.
today feel a bit different though.
I feel it hotter than this now. We no breeze now blow. At least breeze a blow right now. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Could have worse.
Good hours. Respect, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Good hours. Wait, here you go.
Bless up.
Yes, take one for your cousin. Here, cousin.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Time I know so this work not easy. Fishing in the sun. We start late.
Yeah.
Come out early better when the sun not so hot. Yeah. Oh yeah, so now waste the bait though. Alright then, mommy, take care, yeah?
Yeah, you're welcome, darling.
Alright, let me take care. Wishing all the best. I know I catch about 20 fish today. 20 you not catch, yeah? Don't watch the slow start.
Yeah.
Is the... Alright, the moment she knows that she can do it. Of course. 20 of them. Sure. Oh, this sun is so hot, boy. How much a bungle? Well gone. Big up. I will stand up right beside you.
How much I feel them, I'm still brother, I'm well known already, you see me? You always watch me, brother, Nico.
Kino.
Kino or Nico.
Kino. Yeah.
Kino or Nico.
Kino.
Kino.
Yeah.
You see what you did them all the while, man, I have pro.
Yeah. Dream team.
Dream team, you see what thing all the while, that I'm pro.
Cool, man.
Rest of yourself, you're from Africa?
Yeah, yeah.
Let's see all the one more again together.
Alright, let's keep going.
Right. Interview on it, alright, go on now.
You know, you don't know, we don't downtown in the market, hear me? And can't me do.
Thank you. Yeah, driver. Cartman. Come in to work here, work. She want to live. She want to live, to work here, work. Which way you going?
Outside, we are done.
I'm done. Alright then, so she want to work outside.
Okay.
Go on from the car. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's good.
Outside, we're in a Kingston. We're in market side. I don't know about the one is right.
A big driver, mama, a big driver.
Alright, see that? Outside with them.
Outside with them.
I'm waiting there for the video. Alright, the fruits and that, with the fruits, as you said, syrup. It's Lane High Road. Alright. Pineapple. We have tomato, we have carrot. Yes, they pray. Keep pumpkin. We have papa over there. The panic, we not sell no fish and no water. Okay. All who have YouTube, still have your CD, see there?
DVD.
See there over there, sir? YouTube, then can't stop going, we still have your CD.
DVD. Should I use DVD player?
See that? Still playing on the road.
As soon as they take care of it, they're done.
Coconut. Mommy, what's it? This size? 250.
Personal over here, ammonia, amaranth,
Are you ready now?
Got you, driver.
bleach powder, garlic acid, and color over here.
That's what we need, boy. And careful push. Yo!
You see, how many long time you just eat 1, 2 tomato and cut the peg up here. Understand? Yes, and drink some natural juice. You're nice.
What's up?
Wagwan. Good.
This big piece of chicken and this big piece of beef and this big piece of mutton.
Wheelchair? Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, big up, man.
$100 for tomato.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Tomato, $100 for
Oh, yeah. Full of cardian.
I say,
Yeah.
you're not
Yeah,
a
man.
part of your body.
Alright.
It will stop your panic million by telling you say every million seed go.
Wait, that's why I look up this shit. No, man, I don't get my whole time.
You're on that chick. I think I want to chuck a while ago, you know. Yeah, put that in the bag. Put that in the bag.
Yeah, no patience because
Traffic. B.
I saw on TV, she's from Africa, ain't it?
Yeah.
You from somewhere?
From where? Trenchtown. Kino.
Hi.
Big up.
Hi, greetings. Nice to see you.
I saw you on TV.
Thank you.
From Africa.
Yeah.
Frederick, I say hi.
Hi. Alright, then. Kino, I have $500 with you.
Alright, switch that.
Even one. Okay.
Fresh food for your money.
I think I should get up for this.
Jenny B. Where are you going? Good?
No.
Are you not good?
I'm thirsty. Take it off.
I can't make you.
Yeah, go.
No, not yet.
Are your destination?
He's asking where is the Lamborghini. I'm like, we have no Lamborghini.
Are we getting a waterfront?
I don't know.
They say on it? Yeah. Well, sit down on the car then. What? So that good? No, I'm gonna say me. I say.
No, you don't know. It's not different, you know.
All right. So we'll take it just for then, man.
Yeah, take it after.
Yeah, man. All right. It's all the coin right there. At the corner.
Ginger 600 a pound, 100 a bag. Ginger 600 a pound, 100 a bag. Irish at 250, 250 a pound for Irish. Irish at 250, 250 a pound for Irish. Irish at 250. Yam at 250, 200 a pound for
Yeah. Oh, Paul, big up, big up. Hey. Well, guys, that's the hectic one through the market. It's very busy. You know, playing the market is so busy as well too. And the sun just cook quick. Courtney! So the sun just bake, cook, fry, roast, everything me a while ago. We up on the waterfront, man. If you want to leave here, so we're good. Yeah, man, we're good here, so man.
No, you don't know, just the
respect.
Like that, put a full vibes, yeah?
Yeah, man.
I appreciate you, okay?
Alright.
That is it. Thank you for the ride.
Yeah, man, cool. Yeah. Yeah, she got there already. Yeah. You talk about Bad Fountain.
Bad Fountain St. Thomas?
Yeah.
We checked in already.
Checked
Long
in already.
time. Yeah. What a good ride!
We used to those rides.
You used to those rides?
Yeah. We used
Only in
to.
Jamaica get those rides.
And the anchor.
Only.
They don't have anchor in Kenya?
Not really like those ones.
Different ones?
Yeah.
What's it like down there? Like some big wheels? Is it big wheel carts?
Yeah, some. Go this way or this way?
This way.
Wow, that is nice. I feel better.
It's like a belly full, right? Washing machine and sale.
Come look it, come grab it. Sale out, reasonable price.
see you. Yeah.
Big up yourself, man.
From the correct.
Great. Pull up, man, at the place. Hey, family, I roll through.
Yeah, man, come back and treat.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Respect, man. Thank you for always watching, man. You know what
Always
I'm
watching, man.
Yeah, what?
That man take a beer the other day when you see that man take a beer.
Oh, I never did that, eh? I mean, Kingston do some work.
Yeah, man.
That's why, you know?
Keep up the good work, yeah?
Yeah, man. Big up. Alright. You know, we always have to give thanks to our serious subscribers, them.
For always saying hello. And
Always saying hello and always support, you know? It's nothing but the support them giving, is nothing but love. And we appreciate that so much. You know, the thing goes already, but without their support, no one will be watching. That'll be blank TV. Imagine a blank TV, no one watching. What's up?
I'm good.
Tired about your swimming now?
How far you go?
Down the road.
How far is down?
We are down the road.
You there? You take me from work.
I joke. Keep up on your work.
Yeah, man.
You good do?
Yeah, man, alright, man.
Alright, then look cool, yeah?
Take care,
Yeah.
you like just tell somebody carry the bag and just stand up and then ready to go. Eh?
It's just the love.
No. I think there's normally a supermarket somewhere here.
Nah,
Yeah.
that's furniture.
There's also a supermarket along this stretch. I'm sure.
Show me.
Maybe they're close. Let's see. Yeah, Jamaica. Lenny's grandpa.
Yeah. Yes, guys, so I'm here. Yeah.
Poor and bossy, you know, they're poor, you're bossy, they look and bossy.
Yeah.
One love, you know, just one extra.
Yeah. Go check it. Yes, guys, so I'm back here in Trenchtown now, so our chef them start to dig out the hole already to put the post in, so we're going to check and see if we get some pallets, you know, get some pallets to straighten the fence, you know. So I know some people say, Kino, why don't we get the concrete, you know, but that can happen, you know, for the future, but for now, you know, the fence is a bit weak. So it's like straightening for him. Yes, Mama. And we have Mighty Joe Young. Mighty Joe Young. It's been a while.
Real while, yeah.
Them say you fly out.
No, I'm there, man. Still up on the land.
You haven't looked for visa.
Yeah.
Fly out.
So you can fly out already.
Live.
Eh?
Yeah, live.
Yeah, alive. My boy was safe from having a pallet there, so. Go on, chef.
Yeah, everything. Yeah, no win. Yeah, man, no win.
Where's the seat? Why you bring the money back? Give me back. Okay.
They start to go to post, man.
got them in already, man. Just hold them on like them, you know, come cast.
So now you guys are dealing with the wall.
You see?
Oh.
Go down, so. No one there from home for the go down, you know. Take it down. Try to dig them out,
Joe. I want more board, man. Good amount of yeah, but 1 6 pallet though.
Oh, yeah.
About 1 6 pallet you're gonna need, wow. 6. Because I will come right round there, so.
Tomorrow they get up and they get the post, they just dig the next post.
Yeah, man, leave out the one, man. All of them.
And if it's when you come and just move the zinc, man, just start
dropping the thing.
Strap on the pallet.
Yeah, man, come here, drop the next post all right, so.
So this good?
Yeah, the man, I'm gramping and washing.
Oh, am I washing there?
Yeah, man, know him getting. Come here, the man, them, I want to take out and put out a load, you know. Man, get it small, look.
So, but this never in here?
Yeah, I'm bringing come this man and say I come wash. Borrow from people things, man. Man will come in and say I wash this man.
The fence, man, you have a little space, man.
Yeah. Whoa. Fence are dropping now.
Yeah, man.
Fence are dropping. I forgot brace it back. Yeah. I'm going to say I'll take over and play.
Right here.
So something for brace it for time. I use the wire and pull and tight on this. Tie the wire. Either. Yep. Yeah. Alright guys, for the future we definitely want to get rid of all these zinc fences, you know, because you know that is the aim, to get rid of all zinc fences, you know. So for sure I want to get rid of this zinc fence, for sure, you know, for sure. But that is another work, you know, it's another work to them. So we have to just do what we can do now, you know, until when time, you know. But as I may say, for now it doesn't make sense to tear down the whole fence and leave the whole place open. So we're just gonna strengthen the fence with some pallet, you know, so at least it can have a straighter fence, because it makes no sense to tear it down now, you know, when we know. So that's a different project to take on. Alright guys, so apparently the man where we meant to get the boards from did not give her a board, so we cannot get any pallets today. So it's not a board, so we have to go put in the order to get them, so we can get some pallets to sort them out. You know, I'm gonna say there's not many work left to do.
So once again, the winning pick three numbers are number 4 and the number 5. It is now time.
You want to see inside the... Get out.
We are on the washing place. And Kino has been working here for quite some time. Wow.
Different.
It looks different.
Different, right?
It looks so different right now. The kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Everything is different.
Hey, good job. Wow. The kitchen shape has started coming up.
Yeah.
You can clearly see the kitchen now. Even up here it looks nicer. Right
Yeah.
now.
And in bathroom. And his bathroom.
The socket somewhere?
You know, so the lights in the road out there.
Oh yeah. Even down here it looks really better and nice. And fresh.
Fresh.
Wow. The bathroom you finished already, it's in use.
Yeah.
Right?
Bathroom finished. It's just to dress off.
Good job here.
It's just to finish off the nicks
There's
and
even
that.
water inside already.
Yeah.
Wow, water connected.
Yeah, everything connected.
It looks really nice. Wow, it's closing like this.
Eh? Where? We managed to cook. So this now we are shape out now for him. You know, so we're going to put the cupboard, cupboard door and good.
Down there.
Yeah.
For sure you almost.
Almost.
Yeah.
Almost. We're going to put some tile on the steps.
Yeah, the steps.
Too.
You also built new steps.
Yeah, new steps. And then we're going to finish off up here as well too.
Yeah.
And then, you know, we can get ready for paint. There's little dressing off, small works left to do.
Yeah, painting.
Yeah, small works. We just put on the door as well too. See my door.
Oh yeah, there's a door here.
Yeah. So the door just go on. And I run the lights then. This I forgot to do. This I forgot to do over.
Yeah, by short coat.
Short coat?
Yeah. It's by a bag of short coat.
And short coating.
Glass out inside.
Because for sure we have to go fill out the whole of them holes there.
Oh, you have to fill all the holes.
So when time you paint it don't show.
Okay. Hey, good job.
No growth yet. I would have wait for do it because in tile and then the rough work is still a go and see me.
Tile good.
Yeah.
No hollow section.
Yeah. Looks really nice right now.
Yeah, get right, that's St. Elizabeth already.
Westmoreland.
Yeah?
Oh, chef, you're right, got Westmoreland already. Whoa. You're right, go Westmoreland already.
No. Oh, bike at
Yeah. Yes, you start the ride already.
Yeah, mom, you know. Full of water, man, for the year, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh, chef, start the ride and start the
Yeah,
show.
man, you know, because the journey, boy, I'm going to make the journey too long, just make it just easy, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, because you see, I'm right from Messaga town, because season, I'm going to look, you know. Yeah, man, you see me, I say. Yeah, man, when I eat, you know, I go look, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, nobody watch machete, you know. Take some.
Yeah, almost done, soon done.
Yeah, man.
I use the board on that, Joe.
Yeah, man, see, I'll be some present that girl giving you, you know.
A girl give you?
Yeah, man, so, oh, shit, man, you know. And give this,
That's pretty.
And all this I want for dress out and everything there. Yes guys, so that's it for today, you know, because the man that we meant to get the pallet from, we have to order some from because it's not here, so we have to put in some order for him to get some different ones. So I guess tomorrow we usually go to the post and then we'll strengthen the fence for it. You know, so we have to get some more board. As you can see, the fence is weak. You know, weak. Joe? Okay. Man, come on, man. We have to come to put in some work.
Yeah. Put in some work. But we're soon done. Really good.
So done, man. It's not far away. Talpe! Catch your take back fence. Catch your take back fence. Just catch the RP and squeeze your way, wow. Yeah. In a say Chisel while they're leaving out? Chisel? Oh. Yeah. For straighten the fence. Yeah. Fence one straighten somewhere, you know?
Big Mighty Joe.
Mighty Joe fly out and fly in back, you know? Yeah. Quick and fast. Yeah. Him not around here. But I don't see him have any, so we have to put in the order. We have one bus. We say about 6 of them we got one. Yeah. So we got put in the order for about 6 of them.
I escape girl I wanna go there. So far she wanna go.
Yeah.
I'm just checking what I just did.
You're doing well.
Looks nice. Well. So guys.
Steamers.
We have steamers.
Yeah. Steamers and the water just go with it. Right, the fried fish.
Steamers there, we have the just come out fresh.
Yeah.
Whoa.
These go with this are the okra. And the one that we call it the ray. You know? We don't use butter, you understand?
Just straight coconut.
Yeah, coconut juice. So we don't use butter.
Big up yourself, man. But they know exactly which part to find you.
On the boulevard, man, right in front Sovereign. Grand Shop Square off the boulevard in front of Sovereign.
Yeah.
That's where it is right now.
I have to big up your sister. Can you see your sister watch your program as well?
Barbara.
So big up Barbara.
Yeah, man, Barbara. Living in Florida.
Okay, big up Barbara. Anything else? More than 2 fish still in it. You know my thing already.
Yeah, man. You don't know.
You got soup as well?
Yeah, man.
And some fish soup. Want soup?
Alright, this is soup. Yeah.
Oh, whoa.
You know.
Well catch.
So know where you are. You know where you are. You know where you are.
Fresh.
You are now. That one that yours.
Alright, respect.
Yeah, no?
Yeah.
So yeah, so y'all get festival. We have Bami Strip. The Bami Strip, right? And then we have some fried breadfruit. And then you want pepper?
No, you don't want the coconut thing.
Oh, you want the
okra
you want the ray?
The ray.
You want the coconut too?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't want the Bami?
Yeah, with pumpkin and things. Call it the ray.
Right on.
Looking good. Fire red. Redder than red. Cooler than cold. The guy say, you know, whenever you come on the boulevard, just come look for the fish man.
Yeah, party.
Party. Guys, here is where, let me show you, let me spin around and show you what. Here is where you get the, trust me, the good fish. So come check out Party. Here, the best. Party.
Everything good. I'm here.
Big up your sister Barbara.
Yeah,
Big up
Barrow Webley.
Barrow Webley. Big up yourself, Barrow Webley. You know anything goes already. Alright, then you have
Alright,
so I also got my fish tea as well, guys. So everything goes.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiro Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.